Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do page number 49, question number 9. Circle the smaller number. In the previous question, we have done circle the bigger number. Bigger number means greater number or the number which comes last in the counting. Circle the smaller number. Smaller number means the smaller number. So children, here we are going to circle the small number. Small number comes in the counting first. Suppose between 1 and 2 we have to choose the smaller. So 1 is smaller because in counting 1 comes the first. So part A, 28 and 43. So 28 is smaller because in counting 28 comes first and 43 comes afterwards. So 28 is the smaller number and this is done for us. Now part B, 11 and 30. 11 comes first in the counting, so 11 is the smaller number. 30 is the greater number or bigger number. So we have to circle the smaller number. So we are circling 11. So 11 is smaller than 30. Okay children. Now part C, 18 and 28. So between 18 and 28, 18 is smaller because 18 comes first in the counting. So we will circle the 18 number. And 18 is smaller than 28. Now part D, 22 and 19. Between 22 and 19, 19 is the smaller because 19 comes first in this counting. So we will circle 19. 28 is the greater number or the bigger number. So 19 is smaller than 22. 36 and 42. So 36 is smaller number, 42 is greater or bigger number. So we will circle 36 because 36 comes first in the counting and it is smaller number. So 36 is smaller than 42. Between 40 and 47, 50 and 47, 47 is smaller because smaller 47 comes first in the counting and 50 comes afterwards. So 47 is smaller, so we will circling 47 and 47 is smaller than 50. 41 and 36. So 36 is smaller, it comes first in the counting. So we will circle 36 and 41 comes afterward. So 36 is smaller than 41. Now 32 and 34. So 32 is the smaller number, 32 comes first in the counting and 34 comes afterwards. So 34 is the greater number and 34 is the bigger number. So we will circling 32 as it is smaller. 32 is smaller than 34. Between 49 and 35, 35 is smaller as 35 comes first in the counting and 49 is greater or bigger number. So 35 is smaller than 49. So we will circle 35. Now between 18 and 43, 18 is the smaller, 43 is greater or bigger number. So we will circle 18 as 18 is smaller than 43. Now 26 and 44. 26 is smaller, 44 is greater or bigger number. So we will circle 26 as 26 is smaller than 44. Now part L, 33 and 22. So 22 is smaller, 33 is greater or bigger number. So we will circle 22 as 22 is smaller than 33. So once again we will revise 22 between 28 and 43, 28 is smaller. Between 11 and 30, 11 is smaller. Between 18 and 28, 18 is smaller. Between 22 and 19, 19 is smaller. Between 36 and 42, 36 is smaller. Between 50 and 47, 47 is smaller. Between 41 and 36, 36 is smaller. Between 32 and 34, 32 is smaller. Between 49 and 35, 35 is smaller. Between 18 and 43, 18 is smaller. Between 26 and 44, 26 is smaller. Between 33 and 22, 22 is smaller. So we have circled the smaller number and we have done circle the smaller number, question number 9. Now children, once again we will see that 28, 11, 18, 19, 36, 47, 36, 32, 35, 18, 26 and 22 are smaller number, and we have circled all the smaller number. Now children, take out your pencil and circle all the smaller number with the help of pencil. Write today's date on right hand side and complete this exercise in your book. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a great day.